simple coloring drawing.
Hi everyone and welcome to the Simple Coloring Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute computer. Let's start drawing. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Awesome! Now I'm using this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Wow! Wow!
Let's paint this cute drawing together. I am using the colors of the rainbow. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Great job! Thanks for watching and see you on next video.